Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and Assistant app are updated. This prevents missing voice options. Next, open Settings, go straight to Voice and Sound or Assistant Voice. Make sure to grant microphone and audio permissions now, because voice previews need them. Once done, set playback device and volume to about 50% so you can judge tone without distortion. You're already in the right screen. Proceed to the voice list and keep notes on names you want to compare. Now you browse the voice list and filter by language, accent, or gender so results stay focused. You should tap each voice to preview using both short prompts and a longer sample sentence, because small differences show up over longer phrases. If customization is offered, tweak pitch, speed, and pronunciation settings slower for clarity, slightly lower pitch for warmth. Make sure to test names, numbers, and punctuation. These reveal how the assistant handles real inputs. Once satisfied, save the selection. Finish by saving or applying the chosen voice and confirm whether the assistant needs a restart. Restart if prompted. Then test using everyday commands, proper names, dates, and currency to ensure natural pronunciation. This verifies the change across scenarios. If audio drops or you hear artifacts, first clear the app cache and recheck microphone and audio permissions. If problems persist, reinstall the Assistant app or reboot the device. That usually resolves lingering conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.